Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change app language on YouTube. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube app in device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on general. Next, you can see the option of app language. Tap on it. Next, select language of your choice. Here I am selecting Chinese. Tap on it. Next, tap on change. So, this is how you can change language on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.